Perhaps we turned to the sky in prayer because it was the only clean spot, and we had made life a living hell. People have looked at the sky for a very long time. At night, they attributed many meanings to the stars. One day, a Russian peasant became the first man to go into space, where no one before him had ever been.
The advancement of military technology drives space technology. Sending humans into space means the development of long-range missile technology. Space exploration adventures, which seem so exciting to us, are unfortunately the result of such a dirty war technology. Military technology and space exploration are dirty industries that feed each other. Yuri Gagarin was the first man in space in 1961. Gagarin, the USSR cosmonaut, was born in 1934 on a collective farm in Jiatsk. Soviet communism, which consolidated the collective farming system by combining farmers' shares and thus achieved very high yields, also attached great importance to the education of the collective farms at that time. The education of peasants and especially the urbanization of those born in these villages was an essential goal of the communist state. Gagarin, the son of a carpenter, was born a Soviet peasant. Although his education was interrupted during the fascist Nazi occupation, he received a free and quality education throughout his life thanks to communism. Due to his outstanding achievements in high school, he was accepted to flight training and went to the Air Force School. He became an air lieutenant in 1957.
Юрий Гагарин стал первым космонавтом планеты. 12 апреля 1900...
Due to his physical strength and endurance from the peasantry, his self-improvement and his patience, he was selected for the Soviet Union cosmonaut team after various tests. The 25-member squad was tested under extremely difficult conditions, even using multiple chemicals, and he successfully won first place. As a result of different psychological, physiological and mental tests by a highly specialized team of Soviet engineers, he was determined to be the most suitable person to be sent into space. Although all precautions were taken, he accepted without hesitation a mission with the possibility of failure and death due to his first experience in space. The Vostok 1 spaceship weighed 4.75 tons. The week before April 12, 1961, excitement and preparations were very high. The Soviet cosmonaut team was preparing day and night. At 9:07 a.m. on April 12, the breath was held and the launch pad of Vostok 1 was fired. The spacecraft's speed reached about 30,000 kilometers per hour. And in the technology of that period, a terrible pressure fell on Gagarin. In interviews, he said that at one point he could hardly breathe and was about to suffocate, but the Russian peasant accomplished the mission and spent 89.1 minutes in orbit, 301 km from Earth. When he returned, he was promoted to colonel. Time in the training of cosmonauts in the Soviet Union. However, due to the impossibilities of early technology, the first man to go into space in these problematic conditions crashed during a training flight in 1968 and died. Thank you for being with us. See you in the following video.